Today we're going to talk about hash tables. And a hash table is an array. Here I have one on the right side of my screen. It's of size 10. And just like an array, it has indices, 0 through 9 in this case. We want to put some data into this hash table, and we would like to do it with the greatest efficiency possible. Here we have our data that we're going to put into this hash table. Each of these comes with a key and some data. So for instance, the key is pineapple, and this information could be the number of calories, the color, the biological makeup, I don't know, but for our purposes it doesn't really matter. The important thing is that this word, this string pineapple, is unique. We're going to put pineapple and its information into some slot here in our hash table. And then we are going to be able to retrieve it. So how do we put it into here? Well, we use a hash function. And a function is something that Java doesn't have, although many other languages do. Java has methods. A method that returns a single object is a function. So we create a function, we create a method that returns an integer in this case, between 0 and 9, and whatever integer it returns, that's where pineapple and its information is going to go. So in this case, we put pineapple as the parameter of our function, and we get the number 9. So I'm going to take this and put it into here. Now at some later point, if I want to get the information about a pineapple, how many calories are there in a pineapple? I don't know. So we take the string pineapple and use our hash function in the same way, and we will get the number 9, which means we just go to index 9, and that's the information that we want. Let's take a minute and put everything into this table. How did I get pineapple to be 9? I used a very simple hash function. The length of the string mod 10. Pineapple is 9. 9 mod 10 is 9. Grapefruit is of length 10. 10 mod 10 is 0. So grapefruit is going to go up here. Apricot is of length 7. So this goes here. Passion fruit is of length 12. 12 mod 10 is 2. And banana is of length 6. 6 mod 10 is 6. Okay, so supposing now I want to get some information about passion fruit, then I run the very same hash function on passion fruit, and I get 12 mod 10, which is 2, and so I can go straight here and get my information. So let's put passion fruit back for a minute, and let's put something else in, coconut. Now coconut is of length 7. 7 mod 10 is 7. So I'd like to put coconut and its information into here. Oops, now I have a problem. And of course we can see that these problems will arise all the time, and so I need to find a better hash function which will enable me to separate these and not have two colliding. These are called collisions when I want to put two things in the same slot. So a function that doesn't have collisions. And the other thing, of course, that would be the absolute best thing in the world, but you can't guarantee that because that depends upon the data. So the next best thing is I need a collision handling algorithm. And we'll look at those next.